How to download movies on Youku. If you're trying to download and watch movies offline on Youku, then first of all launch open the Youku application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Youku, go ahead and search for a drama or a movie show in the search bar at the top. Go ahead and write down the name of the movie show or content, and once you find the search result, open it up. After you're inside the episode or movie playback screen, go ahead and click on the download button right underneath the playhead. Once you tap the download button, you can see the episodes at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on one of the episodes you can download. Not all the episodes are free to download. Some of them need VIP access. So I'm just going to show you by downloading a free episode over here. Tap on the download icon to start downloading the episode, and to view your download progress, click on View All at the bottom right, and you'll be able to see the episode downloading. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi to save mobile data. From here, you can track the progress of your download. Once the download is done, you can tap your movie or show and enjoy with no internet access. Some contents may require VIP subscription to download. Downloads may expire after a certain time, and you can only watch downloaded content inside the Youku app. So that's how you download the content inside the Youku application using your smartphone or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.